If you want to delete your Apple Pay account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your information is removed securely. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where your Apple Pay cards and transactions are managed. Step 2. Remove payment cards. Select each card linked to your Apple Pay account. Tap on the card, then choose the option to remove it. Confirm the removal to ensure that your payment methods are no longer linked. Step 3. Sign out of Apple ID. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top, and scroll down to find the option to sign out of your Apple ID. This will disconnect your Apple Pay account from your Apple ID. Step 4. Contact Apple Support. Visit the Apple Support website or call their customer service. Request assistance in permanently deleting your Apple Pay account. They may require verification of your identity. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After contacting support, ensure you receive confirmation that your Apple Pay account has been deleted. Check your Wallet app to verify that all information has been removed. Once you complete these steps, your Apple Pay account will be permanently deleted. Always ensure that you have backed up any necessary information before proceeding with deletion.